Hi, I'm Christy, and this is the PK1 Kids Newsreel. We've been talking lately about how to make homeschooling fun for your kids. And while this is a great thing to do just in general, it can actually be a core component to your entire approach to homeschooling your kids. Now, of course, focusing on the fun throughout your homeschool days is great and wonderful for reducing the stress in your home. But there's also a secret gem hiding in this whole approach. A lot of kids, when they get to about third, fourth, fifth grade, you start to see some resistance rise up in them against doing their homeschool work and their homework and learning some of the more advanced subjects. So if you have spent those first few key years focusing on the fun, discovering what your kids' interests are, and using that to make things even more exciting and interesting, well, you are going to be thanking yourself once you get to those resistant years. Now, I've just recently published an article on my website at pk1kids.com titled How to Make Homeschooling Fun for Your Kids. We talk about how important it is, and we also include some different ideas of ways to make things fun. And we also talk about ways to make your Fridays a little extra fun and some different ideas of things that you can do on a fun Friday. I also published my first podcast episode, the PK1 Kids podcast, anywhere you listen to podcasts. My first episode, we titled it Sacrificing Fun for Done. And I talk about the problems that we often come across when we have all these wonderful, amazing, fun ideas for our kids, but life gets in the way. We just have to get that core work done and we end up scrapping it all. So we talk about that a little bit, unpack that idea, and then we wrap it up with 5 simple things you can do every day to add a little fun to your homeschool day without messing up your schedule. So go check that out at pk1kids.com. It's also on my website there. I also published a new printable. This is our New Year's resolution printable. This is a very simple, low prep, great for little kids, even older kids. My 12-year-old did this as well. And of course, New Year's resolutions are great to do anytime during the year. So hop on over to pk1kids.com and search in the search bar for New Year's resolutions. You'll also find a really cool time capsule activity to do there as well, and that is free. Also, if you happen to be on Instagram, check it out. Check out PK1 Kids over on Instagram. We are talking about fun and making homeschool fun and sharing all of our different ideas and experiences. Well, that's it for the PK1 Kids newsreel in this episode. I hope you have a wonderful week, and remember to always follow the fun.